Is Fortnite giving you the blue screen when you try to launch it on your PC? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that blue screen issue in Fortnite. So let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Now the blue screen could pop up because of issues with Fortnite itself or the game server undergoing maintenance. Make sure to check the server status first. To do this, first open up status.epicgames.com in a browser of your choice. Don't worry about the link, I'll leave it in the video description. Now after the page loads up, you'll get a list of games and apps from Epic Games. Look for the section specifically labeled Fortnite and click on it. Under the Fortnite section, you'll find a series of indicators for different aspects of the game, such as website, game services, login, parties, voice chat, matchmaking, stats and leaderboards, items shopped, etc. Each indicator will either be green, operational, yellow, degraded performance, or red, major outage. If there are any ongoing issues or maintenance, you'll usually find a message below the indicators providing more details and an estimated time for resolution. So if there are any problems, just wait till the Epic Games team fixes the issue. Solution 2. If the servers are A-OK, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type net sh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig /flush and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig /release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig /renew and press Enter. Next, type in net sh intip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. If you're still facing the issue, change your DNS server to a better one. For this, open Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 here and press Enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, just go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. And click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now select Manual from here. And then turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now you should be able to play the game without getting stuck on the blue screen. So that's how you troubleshoot the issue of getting stuck on the blue screen in Fortnite. If the video did the trick for you, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a bunch for watching.